In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the menu order on Wix. So first up, you'd want to pull up your Wix website editor. To access this, just go ahead and click on Edit Site right on your Wix dashboard after logging in. Now, once you're at the editor, you're just going to look for the Pages and Menu option right here on the left-hand side of the screen. Give that a click, and you should see the Site menu right here. Now, if you wish to change the order of these menu options, just go ahead and click and drag the specific option that you wish to move. So for example, the About section, I'm going to move it right here. And then maybe the Shop goes up right here, just next to my blog. And that should be good for me. As you can see, this should also reflect on your navigation menu right here in this order. So before it was home, and then my blog, and then about, and then uh, it was shop or contact, and then shop. So now that the order has been changed. So again, you're free to do this. Just go to Pages and Menu, and then under Site menu, just click and drag whichever you wish to move. After you're done with that, just don't forget to click on Save, and then click Publish Now to ensure that this will reflect on your live page. And that's about it. That's how you change menu order on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.